Guys, I have not go out in Montreal yet. I haven't go to the movies, to the restaurant. I haven't done any like clubbing, meeting people and say like I really wanna go out. But it's really just to like dance and listen to music, but really like to move my body and shit like that. I haven't done any of that, so like I don't know when that's gonna happen, but I'm really thinking about it because I used to go to this club in Montreal. It's called Essence, and I keep thinking about it. So shout out to Essence, okay, in Montreal downtown. It's a Caribbean club, but it's a bar and it's classic. It's very like I wouldn't say Essence is trash or like it's for people who put a beautiful dress. You put your heels on and then you go to Essence. You're like, yeah, it's me, honey. And then you sit down. You looking you watch the people, but you look at the people dancing, moving their hips like that, and then like and then it's really like lovers, but they are talking about each other, or they just met, or like they just dance and then they think about each other and they fall in love and so like yeah, that's Essence. So check Essence in Montreal downtown if you want. It's a great club and I think they're gonna like I think you're gonna like it and I think they're gonna like it too. So check it out. Okay. I have a Gatorade and I have this thing that I need to put in the dryer. Sorry. Even if I'm not that friendly, I met girls who are like, and I'm like, what? It's really like the relationship between me and girls. When I see them, they're like, and I'm like, okay.